Got an IRX file from your business process team and need to review the workflow? This is a process model from a leading BPM analysis platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, view, and work with these iGrafx process model files for your business analysis needs. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one Premier IRX file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. IRX files are process model files, created by iGrafx business process management and analysis software. They contain visual process flow diagrams with swim lanes, activity shapes, decision gates connectors, and associated metadata, including process metrics, simulation parameters, resource assignments, and business rule definitions for workflow analysis and optimization. IRX files are process model files, created by iGrafx business process management and analysis software. They contain visual process flow diagrams with swim lanes, activity shapes, decision gates connectors, and associated metadata, including process metrics, simulation parameters, resource assignments, and business rule definitions for workflow analysis and optimization. iGrafx from iGrafx, LLC offers a certified solution for the IRX file type. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows previews flattened output only, leaving full editing to design software. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the data. Right-click the IRX file and click Open with. Test iGrafx first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right key is on your PC. If you still cannot open your IRX file, that is okay. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the IRX format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing the system error. First, opening an iGrafx. Launch iGrafx process and open the IRX file using File, then Open. The process diagram displays with all swim lanes, activities, decision points, connectors, and annotations in the visual editor. Navigate the process flow and click individual shapes to view associated properties, metrics, and simulation parameters in the Properties panel. Next, reviewing process metrics. Use iGrafx analysis and simulation tools to examine the process model's performance metrics. Run what-if simulations to evaluate process efficiency by configuring resource availability, arrival rates, and activity duration distributions. View simulation results in dashboards showing throughput cycle times, resource utilization, and bottleneck identification reports. Finally, exporting for sharing. Export the IRX process model to PDF, Visio, or image format. Using File, then export for sharing with stakeholders who do not have iGrafx. Use the HTML export option to create interactive web-based process documentation. For BPMN Exchange export to XPDL or BPMN 2.0 XML format, for import into other process modeling platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.